Hey guys, here's another update on my portfolio. I'm currently at $21,703. I've gained from the market $982. Earned dividends is at 206. It is currently today, Wednesday the 14th. I do have some buys for tomorrow. Let's see, I got T-Row, $15, dollar cost averaging into it. Microsoft, well, T-Row I'm adding around 113. Microsoft I'm adding $20 around 252. And then Craft, let's see, I'm adding around like $34. And then yeah, for this week I did buy more stocks. Let's see, I bought quite a few yesterday, I believe it was. I bought SCHD, Coca-Cola, Nike, Church and Dwight, Spy, Ally, T-Row, Microsoft, Meta, Apple, and yeah, just gonna name a few that I bought around. Pretty much SCHD I bought around $71. And then Nike I bought around 101. T-Row around 113. Microsoft around 252, just dollar cost averaging around those areas, and then Apple around 153. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm still adding $300 every week, just dollar cost averaging, because small, because I do think the markets will drop. But yeah, you never know exactly where the bottom is at, so yeah, just keep buying small, and then the more it drops, the more aggressive I get. Yeah, I still have buying power because yeah, I think it's gonna keep dropping a bit more, so yeah, just saving up my buying power, and then I'll probably be adding more if it has a big drop. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as my portfolio. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.